What the f is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger. Let me restart that. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another banger. Today, we're gonna be talking about some crazy shit going on. I'm so excited. I'm literally stuttering and slurring every single thing I'm saying. Okay, let me tell you what's going on. So, first of all, I think y'all can tell that I got some new front windshield tint, you know what I mean? They're illegal.
Lock his ass up, bruh.
But don't tell anybody that I got them because I will get a ticket.
Get out the car, spread your butt cheeks, and put your teeth on the curb.
And I don't want a ticket because y'all want me to spend my money wisely on my car. But we got some crazy going on. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Let me just. No. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gonna have to wait for this one because I spent way too much money to not make videos off this. All right, but we're gonna hit up Target real quickly to get me some stuff, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So let's just get straight into it. And now it wouldn't be a mango video if I wasn't at the gas station, bro. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me show y'all something. Bro, look at my miles per gallon, dog. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, hold up. So, what the fuck? Oh my. Yeah, let's get straight into it.
Broke ass, what you do today? Ghetto boy shit, free the whole ghetto.
Bruh.
Broke ass nigga, what you do today? I just bought a pint of Trish, I'm finna do an 8. I got so much LV, I don't call me Louis Ray. That's my blood brother. Me and CJ.
Alright, so after $28 later, we finally got it a little bit close to 3/4 done. Alright, but let me give y'all a quick little startup inside. Let me just. Okay. Can I just. That's what 93 octane sounds like. If it was 89, this would have been chopped as hell. But let's get straight into the video. Let's go to Target, pick something up so we can get into the video. Okay, let me shut the fuck up. A big thing a lot of people don't talk about when you get like front window tint, bro, you deadass can't see anything when you're going through the back roads, especially if you live in like a town or like a little ass town. Do not get front windshield tint. You will get hawked down, and you just can't see anything. Like, I can barely see. Y'all can see because my my low light is on, but I can barely see. I gotta have this window down. But let's just get back on the road. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on whenever we are at Target because I don't want to crash. So let's go. All right, we just made it to Target, and I'm gonna just, I wanna do my own thing. Hold on, look. Damn. But let's just go in, go get my stuff, come right back. All right, we just got done with our Target stuff. Now it's time to go back and show y'all what y'all been waiting for. I know y'all want to hear that one. Hold up. Let me let y'all hear that whine. Hold up. And no, I don't have a supercharger or nothing crazy like that on my car. What I really just have is a intake with a metal shaft, like the middle part. So it makes a little whining noise, but I mean that's all it does, and it makes my intake sound better, perform better. It makes the throttle response super like quick. I don't know how to say it. You just gotta have an aftermarket intake to feel what an aftermarket intake feels like, y'all. But let's get spawned into the gas station. All right, let's go. Finally, we're here. Let's go outside and check it out. All right, so coming back here, we have the rear tail lights. Bro, look how tough these rear tail lights look. Like, they just look so much better. But let me go right here. Let me open the John up real quick. Now, here it is. Nah. Before I get it started, I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds to like, subscribe, and just comment down below something. Just anything. Just comment down below whatever you guys want. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nah, you guys still haven't liked, bro. Come on, just do it. Come on. This is a really anticipated video. Come on, just like real quick. Just like. I'm waiting. Nah, I think that's enough time. Let's get straight into it. When I jump up, come on. Boom, bro. Look how tough these look. We finally got them, boys. We finally got them. Lowering springs for that jump right there. See how big of a gap that is? Hold on, let me put this back real quickly. Hold on, look at this. That's literally, bro. And I think it's gonna drop it down to about like right here or like right here. But yeah, I just don't like how that gap looks, bro. That gap looks terrible. But these are from SR Performance American Muscle, and go check them out. 2-day shipping. They literally, I ordered it Monday and it came Tuesday, and I waited because I can install them on the weekends. But yeah, and guess what? I'm gonna just clickbait y'all because I'm not gonna install this in today's video. That is way too much work, and bro, it's literally nighttime. So next video, I'm gonna get a help from my friend and we're gonna install it together. First, I'm gonna install it myself on Saturday, and then on Sunday I'm gonna get him to install it. Now, I don't know if it's safe to ride with one lowered while the back is just up, but I mean, we'll see how it looks. And I mean, I don't know. But let me shut the trunk and give y'all a quick little outro. And if y'all are wondering why the car looks so clean, it's because I gave it a good little wash, you know what I mean? And I mean, in this cold ass weather, props to me, you know what I mean? But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video, because next video I am gonna drop the car about like 2 inches or so. And I mean, let's just see how that looks, because $200 for 2 inches drop is actually kind of insane. But I mean, yeah, let's get straight into it. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Come back for the next video when I install the lowering springs, and stay positive. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what y'all want to see next. Y'all support just keep pushing me to do more for this vehicle. But I love y'all, man. And yeah, it's freezing cold outside. I'm just gonna go back in.